In the previous video, we discussed the remainder theorem with the help of the example. Now, in this video, we will discuss more about the factor theorem. Now, let us study the factor theorem. Let P of x be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and let A be any real number, then x minus a is a factor of P of x if the remainder P of a is equal to 0. For factor theorem, this statement is very important. Okay, your remainder should be 0. Okay, now I will explain this statement. Now see, the given polynomial is in x, okay, and a be the any real number. If you are replacing this x by a, then after replacing x by a, whichever you will get that particular value of the polynomial, that value should be 0. Then and only then x minus a is a factor of given polynomial. Means if you are substituting the value of the particular variable, then your remainder should be 0. Then and only then we can say that x minus a is a factor of given polynomial. Okay. Conversely, we can say that if P of a is equal to 0, if your remainder will become 0, then x minus a is a factor of P of x. In remainder theorem, you are getting the value of that particular polynomial is other than 0. Okay, sometimes you will get 0 also, but at that time you don't know the factor theorem. Okay, so for remainder theorem, the value of that particular polynomial is other than 0. Okay, then we can use the remainder theorem. If the value of that particular polynomial will become a 0, then that respective divisor is a factor of the given polynomial. Okay, now let us study this factor theorem with the help of the different examples. Okay, the first example is determine whether x minus 2 is a factor of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 4 by using a factor theorem. Okay, now let us start with the C. When you are solving these examples of the factor theorem, we are following the same steps which we solved in for the remainder theorem. Okay, we are following the same step. Only difference is that here if you will get the value of that particular divisor, if the value of that particular variable, if it is 0, then you can directly say that the respective divisor is a factor of the given polynomial by using factor theorem. Understood? So, write down the solution. Let P of x is equals to x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 4. And your divisor is x minus 2. So I am taking the divisor x is equals to opposite of minus 2. Opposite of minus 2 is plus 2. Divisor is equal to x minus 2. Therefore, x is equals to 2. Okay, so I am substituting this x is equals to 2 value in the given polynomial. So I am replacing x by 2. So I am writing therefore P of x is equals to 2, which is equal to 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 minus 4. Okay, now you have to simplify it. Okay, take the cube, take the square, do the multiplication. Now see over here. So 2 cube is 8 minus 3 as it is into 2 square 4 plus 4 2s are 8 minus 4. Okay, so here I can write down 8 minus 12 plus 4. So here I can say that 12 minus 12 is equals to 0. Now here the value of that particular variable is 2, and for x is equals to 2, your remainder will become 0 over here. So I can say that the respective divisor is a factor of given polynomial. Okay, so here, so I can write it as, I will write over here. So therefore, p of x is equals to 2, which is equal to 0. So I can say that, therefore, make a box over here for the answer. Okay, therefore, by using factor theorem, x minus 2 is a factor of p of x. Okay. Now, the next example is second example. Okay. If x minus 2 is a factor of x squared minus ax plus c, or x plus c or 6, then find the value of a. Now, see over here. I am taking the examples in such a way that you will get the difference between these two questions. Now, see, in first question you have to decide it is a factor or no. In the second example, they directly told to you it is a factor. So this statement having your this statement will be helpful for solving the example. Okay, how it will be helpful? Now see, it is a factor of the given polynomial means the value of this variable x will be replaced by 2 and you will get the remainder 0. Because when we can say that it is a factor, when the remainder will become a 0, then that respective divisor is a factor of the given polynomial. Okay, now how to solve it? Same steps we will follow it. Only one condition is there. You have to take the help of the given condition. Okay, solution. Let p of x is equal to x square minus ax plus 6. Okay, now I will take the help of the given condition. I will use the first statement. Okay, so if as x minus 2 is a factor of x square minus ax plus 6, therefore what is the opposite of minus 2? Plus 2. So therefore x is equals to 2, which is equal to 0. These two steps you have to make a start, because both the statements are helpful to us to find the value of a. Understood? So here this statement has an important value. Because it is a factor means the remainder is 0. Okay. So now I am replacing this x by 2. So therefore 2 square minus 8 into 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now simplify further. 2 square 4 minus 2a plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore 4 plus 6, 10. Minus 2a is equals to 0. Therefore 10 is equals to 2a. Now when I am changing the sign of that particular term, it will be changed their sign. So when I am taking minus 2a to the right hand side, it will become plus 2a. Okay. So therefore 10 divided by 2 is equal to a. Therefore a is equal to 5. 2 ones are 2 5s. Okay. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 5.